circles. How do you make them? I'm gonna show you how today. Let's get started. Very important, grab your hook. And then you want to grab your yarn. A little bit of technical difficulty here, but yeah, grab your yarn. And also a stitch marker or yarn in other color. First, wrap yarn around your fingers 2 times. Then insert hook under the 2 loops that you made, yarn over, pull the yarn over the 2 loops, and then wiggle your fingers out from the big loop, and then make a chain. Now that you have made your chain, it's time to make single crochet. Insert your hook into the big loop, yarn over, and do a single crochet. Now keep making single crochet until you have enough single crochet as stated in the pattern. Now, let's take a moment to count your single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, we pull the tail to make sure we know which loop connects to the tail. Once you identified which one is connected to the tail directly, go ahead and pull the other side of the loop, which is the base, to secure the other loop first. Once you have pulled until it's secured, you may proceed by pulling the tail and securing the first loop. And that's your magic circle. Good work! Now let's continue with another lesson. Increase. Now insert your hook into the first stitch. Do a single crochet as usual. But before you proceed, insert your hook back into the first stitch that you just made your first single crochet and do another single crochet. And now you have 2 single crochet in 1 loop, and that is your increase. Here I'm gonna be increasing 6 times, resulting in 12 single crochets around. Good work! You finish your first round of increase. Now I'm going to show you a crudely drawn increase diagram. The red drawing indicates the first single crochet, while the blue drawing the second single crochet. These two single crochet forms two sets of V, and this is how it looks on an actual project. Now let's get on to decreasing. Take off your stitch marker or your yarn. Now you want to work only on the front loop of the first two stitches. Yarn over, pull the yarn over two loops, and then yarn over and do a single crochet. You might be asking, why are we only working with the front loop? The answer is because this is a technique called invisible decrease. Invisible decrease helps reduce the bulkiness of joining two stitches together, and it helps make your decrease look seamless and hidden. Don't forget to mark your first single crochet decrease. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to keep decreasing. Don't forget to only work on the front loop if you want a seamless decrease. Now you know how to make a magic ring, increase and decrease. Good work!